my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so for this design, you're going to need a base of some description. It can either be a base of your acrylic or polygel, or if you wanted to use whatever and then paint a nice pink or nude or whatever colour base you want to, that's completely up to you. For this nail, I have done a full nail of cover pink, but you can see reminiscence of previous design under there, but it's not a problem because most of the nail is going to be painted with gel polish, but we are going to leave a negative section in the middle, so you'll want something nice coming through there, and I think cover pink is absolutely beautiful. So we're going to be painting this nail blue, and I'm using royal blood for this, but you can do this in any colour, but I love blue. Blue is just life. It's definitely my favourite colour, so any time I get the opportunity to do a blue nail, I am happy. Right, so I'm just focusing on the cuticle for now because I don't want to be painting this all down the nail because I want that negative space. So it's up to you. You can either wing it with the brush from... Oh, dogs are getting excited. What was I saying? Yeah, so you can wing it with the brush if you want, but I'm going to use the 10mm liner just to get a relatively straight line across here. So it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be edging it with silver.
That's right, I moved my hand. Sorry guys, I moved my hand.
Yes, we are going to be popping a silver edge on this, so don't stress if it's not perfect. And then your negative space you can make as big or as little as you want. I'm going to go for about 5-6mm. Obviously that will depend on the length of the nail that you're working on, and it would look fine if it was bigger or thinner. It would look fine, and then I can paint the rest of this nail. I love this blue so much. It literally matches my hair, doesn't it? I dyed my hair again yesterday and I've gone mega blue. Super blue, ultra blue. Right, so that can go into the lamp. Okay, so when that comes out the lamp, we're going to pop our second coat on. So repeat the whole process again. So now the question again, Sam, is are you going to want this matte or shiny?
I'm loving the fact that you ask me, because...
Well, I ask you, but then I don't necessarily do what you want.
So asking me what I want is, you know, even when we're not filming, when I'm doing my nails,
you get what you're given.
I get what I'm given.
Pop that one in. Well, I think either is going to look beautiful. So what do you fancy? Well, the thing is, so I'm going to be using some of the diamond glitters.
If you're putting diamond glitter over the top, why don't you do a matte nail with the glitter just shining on the top?
Well, I'm going to have to pop the top coat over these. So, which one of these are calling out to you?
The truth?
I really like this one. Because it's like white, but it's...
I'm loving that one or that one. They are... But this one's quite nice as well.
Can you see how this
one's... the opalescent in it.
It's got a little bit of a blue hue to it, isn't it? I think I might use these ones.
Well, it's more of a purple though, isn't it, that?
I think I might use this one.
Oh, it's a turquoisey.
So...
You probably can't see that on the...
You can ever so slightly. It's got a little bit of a hue to it. I'm going to use these. So if we're going to use that, I'm going to go for a shiny top coat, I think. Right, pop that nail out for me, Sam. Okie dokes. Right, so... where is my top coat? I had it. There it is. So I'm going to use a dinky little bit of top coat. A little spot here and a little spot here. Don't know if you can see where I've popped them. And this is just to hold the glitter in place initially. So now these are ever so slightly curved, really difficult to see on camera, but they have got a little bit of a curve to them. So I'm going to make sure that I get them the right way up so that they dome in the middle. And I'm going to pop them with the flat edge against our border. Like this. We've got the diamond point coming up over there and down over there. Okay, when you're happy with how they're positioned, they can go in just for a flash cure, please, Sam. Oh, it's really windy out there.
It honestly sounds like someone's letting off
fireworks, yeah. And then, so they're nice and secure now. So now we can come in and top coat the whole nail. Maybe somebody is setting off fireworks. Okay, pop that in. Okay, pop that out. Right, so I'm just going to, just because this glitter has got that little dome in it, I'm very, very gently just going to buff. Just smooth that. Obviously don't over buff because then you'll buff the glitter off. So just smooth that out a smidge. And then get rid of that dust. Right, so while we've got that buffed surface, I'm going to come in with the silver artisan paint. I don't have a thumbnail. Oh, well, I mean, actually, I have my natural thumbnail. So, using the silver, and I'm using my 10mm liner again, I'm going to edge this blue. So, load your brush up. And then across the edge there. This is why I said you don't need to be too precise with your application of the blue, because this will cover up any little imperfections if you've not got it dead straight with the blue. You don't have to do this if you're happy with your application of the blue, but I think this is just nice to frame that negative space. Just adds a little extra something something. Do this in gold as well. Blue and gold looks lovely.
I think blue and silver is nicer.
Blue and silver is definitely, I'm not a gold person, so I like my silver. Okay, so when you're happy with that, pop that in for a cure. And when that comes out of the lamp, we can then top coat this nail again. Nice thin layers so that you're not getting it too bulky. Fantastic. Okay, pop that in, please, Sam. And then I'm going to be using the tack-free white artisan paint. Splodge that on the back of my thumb again. Okay, so load your brush up. Now, the good thing with these diamond glitter pieces is they've got 3 points. So these are going to be your guide for your snowflake. So we'll start with the bottom one first. So make sure you've got plenty of gel on your brush, but no lump. And we're going to come down and out. Do you know what I haven't got?
What?
My glasses. Right, I'm gonna free ball it without my glasses. Right, so down and out through that one point there. Same again through this point here. And same again through that point there. And then off of that, we're going to do just some little pulls like this. Oh, the way down. And grab a dotting tool. There it is. Into gel, and I'm just going to do... Oh, that's far too big. That is far too big. All right, we'll tidy that up very carefully. Right, so where is... Just going to use a lint-free wipe and an orange stick into my kiwi cleanser, and very carefully take that off. Oh, it's like performing heart surgery. Watch me do it again. Too big. There we go. And I'm just going to pop one there as well, I think. Right, put that into lamp for a quick flash cure. Okay, so repeat the process again on your top snowflake. And it doesn't need top coating. We've already top coated, and your tack-free artisan paint doesn't need top coating. So there we go. Just finish that off with coconut elixir. Make sure you give that a good massage in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.